Okay, so we are on OCR computer science and our topic is topic 2, chapter number 2, algorithms. In the last lesson, we have discussed a searching algorithm. Okay, so we discussed about the linear search. Saharsa, can you explain me in short what is linear search?
It looks like each item that's in a list and checks if it's equal to what the user is looking for. And if it's not, it moves on.
Perfectly great. Okay, so today we are going to continue with a new topic called binary search, a much more efficient algorithm to find values in a list is binary search. So now if we have elements in a list like this is a simple array, you know that. And in that array, if I'm going to put the numbers like 17, 11, 15, 13, 21, and 26. So they said the binary search is a much more efficient. How? Let's see. This algorithm has a prerequisite that the list must be in order. So this makes the things very easy. So binary search uses a point that a list must be in order. So the middle value in the sorted list is picked. Middle means there are equal number of values either on the side. So you see this one list will not be accepted in binary. So the list must be in order. Are you getting it, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, let's see. If there are even number of values, then there isn't an exact middle value. However, generally the value to the left of the middle is chosen. So guys, be careful. If you have the values, like if you have eight values in your array, so you can't pick the middle value. So you need to pick the value which is to the left of the middle, right? So if the middle value is the one we are searching, then algorithm is gonna be finished. So when you find out your required number, you need to stop your search. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
However, if not, we can discard the bottom half of the list. If the middle value is smaller than the value we are searching for. So guys, let me explain you this way. This is your array. This is 3. This is 9. This is 13. This is 21. This is 33. And this is 45. How many elements are there? There are 6 elements. Which one is the middle? They said we have 2 types. This is our left hand, and this is our right hand. So which 2 numbers you think are in the middle? You see these 2 numbers are in the middle. So what they said, generally the value to the left of the middle is chosen. So they pick 13. 13 as a middle value. Are you getting it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next point is, when you get the middle value, you need what? Okay, if the middle value is the one we are searching, algorithm is finished. So if you're looking for 13, you need to stop your algorithm. But if the middle value is smaller than the value we are searching, or discard the top half. So let's suppose we are searching for 9. Let's suppose, guys, we're searching for 9. And we take middle value 13. So these numbers will be cut off. So how many numbers we got now? 3, 9, and 13. In this way, the 9 will be obtained as a middle value. Okay, so if we get a situation where the list has only one item, and it is not the one which we are looking for, so it means the value is not in the list. Yes, guys, it is possible that the number you are looking for will not present in the list. It means it is not present, simple. So you can write, we did not found the required result. Any confusion?
No.
Okay, now let's do an example, guys, so the things will be very clear. The list below is in alphabetical order, and you can use it in a binary search. We will look for the value Q. Brownlee,
Yeah.
what is the value we are looking for?
Q.
Fine. Okay, now count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Which value we are looking for? Saharsa.
Q.
Q. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah.
Now, let's move on. We first take the middle value, P. That is not the value we are looking for. Okay, guys, I'm moving back. Check. Which value is the middle? Of
P.
course, P is the middle. P is the middle. Okay. Now, which value we are looking for? Q. Q is the value. And P is the value which is middle. So what we gonna do? We
Discard
need
everything.
to discard all the values before the Q. Look, it's gone. Let me explain you here. We discard all the values, including the middle value. I discard all the values. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah.
Now, let's move on, guys. So, we are looking for the value for smaller is Q alphabetically. So, we discard bottom half of the list, including the value P. P is a middle value, guys. I just delete everything. So, we now have a list of 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Saharsa, how many values we have? As there is no middle value, we pick the value to the left of the middle, which is T. So guys, I told you, these are the 3. These are the 3. We need to pick the left of the middle. The left of the middle is T. So what we're going to do, this is either not our value we are looking for. So the T is larger than Q. So what we're going to do, delete all the numbers. So now this time I delete top half. Previously I delete bottom half. This time I delete top half, including T. How many values we have now, Brownlee?
We have 2.
So again, don't have a middle value. So we took the left value as a middle. That's it. So this is how the binary search works. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So guys, what do you think? I'm asking you one by one. Okay. First, Saharsa, tell me, what you think, which searching algorithm is easy or productive? Linear search or binary search?
Binary.
Binary. What
It's
do you
really
think?
fast.
Bradley, what do you think?
Yeah, I think binary as well.
Perfectly great, guys. Okay, so write a Python program uh, using binary search. Binary search of number 16. List is equals to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, guys, I'm going to share my Python screen. Just give me a second. I'm just writing the objective. About C. Okay, there we go. Guys, we have a test today. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Great. I will send you the test after the lesson, and you need to do it in your home assignment, both of you. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, guys, here we have a test today, and I'm sending you the test in a while. Okay, guys. So, how many programs we have done? Any idea? Like 4, 5, 6, 7?
No, I think it's more than that.
Can you number them?
Um,
Okay, you can number them later. Okay, it is very important. Okay, Saharsa, read the objective.
Write a Python program using binary search of number 60.
Okay, and you have a list. Pranli, can you read the list?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. I want the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want even number, guys. That makes sense. Okay, now the point is, okay, binary search. How do we do this? How do we do this? Any idea, guys?
Do you first list how many
Yeah,
elements?
we need to use the array. But guys, remember, in Python, there is no arrays. So we simply make a list. Okay. Yes, Saharsa, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Pranli, tell me, what's the next step? You can use a number which you're going to find. So your target is 16. Guys, you can use your own constant numbers or variable numbers. So I write target, you can use value. That makes sense. Okay? So,
Yeah.
so you guys are allowed to use your own variables. You guys are not bound to use my values, okay? Now, tell me, we take the left and the right. So I'm taking the left and the right values. Okay, Pranli, read it. What is the value of left?
0.
Saharsa, what is the value of right?
1.
What is the meaning of length of numbers minus 1?
Is the
Guys, see.
the amount of people, the amount of like items in the list, and then you just take.
What is the length? Length is 8.
8.
Length of number is 8. 8 minus 1. It means
7.
that, yes, it means that the computer is searching the values, the length of the number every time it moves. So the numbers are going to be checked and detected or minus or subtracted. Is that okay? But it works from the right hand side, okay? This side. Okay, I'm moving on, guys. Okay. Now we need to use what? Now we need to use a loop. We need to use what? A loop. Why we are using loop, Pranli?
Because the search needs to repeat until you find the
Exactly. It's a
value.
very childish question I ask you guys. Okay, why we are using loop? You can say, sir, you're using array. In array, you need to move the number one after another. So for moving the numbers, we need to use a loop. So very childish question. Sorry for that, guys. Okay. Saharsa, please explain me this.
It's basically saying that while like the left value is like less than or equal to the right.
Perfect. So you
This.
simply find the midpoint. Guys, this is, guys, what I'm thinking today, that binary search is a midpoint. Simple. In mathematics, we do the midpoint, right? For the line segments. Same thing is here. We take mid is equals to left plus right mod by 2, right? Or divide by 2, you can say. Okay. Now, next, guys, tell me what we have to do next. We need to use if condition. What is if condition? If the numbers in the mid, MID, equals to the target. What is the value of target? I take it value. Look, I write 16 as value. So if the number of the mid is equals to the value, guys, so we need to find out the mid value. Pranli, can you tell me what is the mid value obtained? 8 divided by 2. What is the answer?
Yeah, 4.
4. So which value is a 4?
16.
So can you tell me, is this condition is true or false?
Yeah, that's true.
It is true. So our loop or our condition will be successful. And
Yep.
our search will be stopped. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let's finish it. Let's finish it, guys. Okay, so let me write down the whole code. Break the value LF. Okay, guys, if it is not the middle value, so mid is lesser than value. Of course, mid is a lesser than value. So we need to do what? Saharsa. If the mid value is lesser than the value, then you need to move to the next, mid plus 1. Else, you need to move to the right, mid minus 1. Else, print target not. Guys, I told you it is possible that the value is not existed. So you need to write it down there. Any question?
No.
Both of you clear?
Yeah.
Saharsa, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let me execute it, guys. Oh, indentation error all time. Okay, so if let me take it back. Okay, line number 11. Okay, move back. Target. Oh, where's the target value, guys?
There's no target.
Yes, it should be here. Okay, and what else? Let's check again. Okay, print on target admit. Okay. Oh yes. Value. Since. Let's move it back. Oh yes, we got it. We got it. Found 16 at index 3. Why it is 3? Saharsa.
Because on Python it starts from 0, not.
Very good, Saharsa. 1, 2, 3 like this. Guys, figured your notebook? Listen. First, you need to do it on Python. Take a screenshot, put it in your Word document. You both have a Word document. You're pasting it in Word. Best of luck, guys. Great. Do it now. You have only 5 minutes. Back. Okay, guys. So we have done this topic. And of course, comparison of linear search. I told you what is the best one. A linear search and a binary search will both find a value, but will do so in very different way. Linear search work with any list of values, like in order or not in order. But a binary search is efficient. It requires the list to be sorted.
Okay.
That is the reason, guys. Okay, I'm giving you a question in homework called knowledge check. This is your homework, guys, okay? Okay, so chapter 2 is finished. I'm moving back on my content. So, guys, we have done searching, we have done designing and creating. 2.1, computational thinking is left. Okay, so I'm going to start with it. It's very easy, guys. Okay, now tell me, what is computational thinking? Any of you can tell me? What is computational thinking? Yes, Saharsa.
It's the way that the computer processes the information and then carries out what it needs to do.
Good answer. And what about you, Pranli?
Yeah, I think the same.
Yes. The computational thinking means how you think related to your problem. Like I said, you need to make a program of binary search. Now, what is the first thing comes in your mind? The first thing comes in your mind that we need to make a list of numbers. Then we need to use a loop. Then we need to compare with the help of if condition. Then we need to print. Isn't it, guys? This
Yeah.
thinking is called computational thinking. Simple. And let me ask you how to make a cup of coffee. You said, sir, boil the milk, put the tea mixer, mix it well, let it boil for some time. So this is a computational thinking for a cup of a coffee. So you said, sir, it's a recipe. Yes, it is a recipe of a coffee. The same recipe, when it calls in your mind, when you create a program, is called computational thinking. Any confusion?
No.
No.
Now, computational thinking comes with the three different steps. Decomposition. What is decomposition, Saharsa?
Breaking down the problem into smaller like routines that so they can be solved separately.
Great. So it is a breaking down a problem into a sub-problem, and each sub-problem is again broken down into the problem until you understand it very well. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me show you something. Let me show you something, guys. Okay, this is called decomposition. So you see, you have a system. You've broken down the system in how many parts? 3. These 3 parts are called subsystems. And further, you break the subsystem 1 into 2 other parts. This is also called a structure diagram. It is called decomposition as well. Understand, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you see, when you make or decompose your program, it's very easy to understand every part. So decomposition, when you're breaking down the problem into the subsystem or subproblem, that makes your program very easy. Next is abstraction. Brownlee, can you tell me what is abstraction?
Just like removing unnecessary details so the program is more
Very
like
good.
easier.
Excellent. Removing unnecessary details. Can you give me an example from this map? Which one is easy for you?
The one on the right.
The left one or the right one?
The right one.
What is the reason?
There's like less things going on and
You can say,
like
sir, on my right hand, the road map is very clear. But on my left hand, look what they are going to do. Balbourne, and we have other areas, Cambridge, and we have Water Beach. Maybe, guys, your living area is shown here. Girton, Easton. Why we need that places? Why we need that pink color? Although I like pink color, but why did make this pink color here? And the green color is here, and the yellow color is here, guys. It's like a golaganda. Do you know what is golaganda? It's a drink, a mixed colorful
Yeah.
drink. It's called golaganda in my language. So, golaganda, it's a kind of a colorful drink, right? A colorful juice that we mix together and drink it. So it's a golaganda color. So why did make that? There's no need of it. I don't like this. Bye bye. But on the right hand side, the roadmap is very precise. If I wanted to travel, I can use this roadmap. This is called abstraction. Any confusion?
no.
Great. Saharsa, what is algorithm?
It's like
Yeah, can
it's
you tell?
like a program with that like with several instructions that need to
Very
be
good.
executed.
Very good. Algorithm is a set of well-defined instruction. Great, guys. So we are moving on. We are moving on. So these are some examples. I already teach you this thing. And okay. Next is designing, creating, and refining algorithm. So already Saharsa told us that algorithm is a step-by-step sequence of instruction, right? Let's check. Guys, I think in the first lesson I teach you, what are the three basic steps of programming? Ronly.
The input, process, and output.
Great. So it means that when we are going to make a program, the first important thing is input. Then we process the program in Python, that is process. And when we print our program, that is called output. So these are basic things, guys. Okay, a structure diagram I already teach you. What is another name of a structure diagram? Saharsa. I told you just before this topic.
Is it the flow diagram?
Decomposition. Decomposition, right? Is another name of a structure diagram. So a structure diagram is a form of a top-down design that helps to decompose a problem. At each level, the problem is again broken down into the simple problem. Simple. So you see this. T-shirt, you need to log in your work. You need to search your T-shirt, then it's sales, or then it pre-order. So this is how the structure diagram works. And it is also called decomposition. Remember, guys?
Yeah.
Great. Now, what you have to do, take out your notebooks. I'm going to give you some work. Okay. Now, you need to do question number 1. And I don't think so you guys are able to do question number 2. Can I give you question 2? Just try for it. Try for it. Yeah, great. You have 6 minutes. Guys, our class will be over in 4 minutes. Join me back with the same link.
Yeah.